Vocal fry is your lowest register. It's called fry, and it's characteristically a little bit creaky. At different times in history, it's been called vocal creak, croak, and various other things. It's now got a common term that everyone tends to use, vocal fry, but it is that sound way below your chest register. You try it. Now you say, what is this useful for? Well, according to the history books, there are some people that can control that vocal fry and go as far as 7 octaves. Really? 7 octaves? Right. 7 octaves below where you can sing in your chest voice. That's crazy talk. Most of us use vocal fry for 2 things. One, it's an effect. It's become very popular in contemporary music and pop rock, etc., to fry into notes. I love you, baby, whatever it is. People fry in. As long as you don't do it with a lot of force, you don't grind your way in, it's not a bad thing for your vocal cords. In fact, it can be therapeutic. If you do grind your way into it, that will tax your vocal cords over time for sure. It's a useful sound effect. The origins of frying into a note have to do with a popularity of women speaking in a lower, slightly fry-like register. When women talk like this, they talk with a little bit more force, and they talk a little lower, as opposed to women who always talk like this, sound a little bit sweeter. Now that's transferred into pop music, and we use that as a vocal effect. If you do it too much, though, it definitely sounds overdone. The other thing that fry is particularly useful for is for cool downs or therapeutic repair. Because your vocal cords are moving more slowly than when you're in chest voice, your fry register is actually very gentle on your voice. So if your vocal cords are swollen, or if you're coming back from a vocal injury, or if you're really tired and you just need to cool down a little bit, you can use fry voice or fry register to help with that healing. Fry. Now, this is not to be confused with whispering. FYI, whispering is not super healthy for your voice. Won't kill you if you do it a little bit, but you're actually pushing your false vocal cords together when you whisper. So it's causing more vocal strain than if you talk in your normal voice. So if your voice is hurting, whispering is not the way to go. More about that when we talk about vocal health in Series 2.